The next topic is string slicing. Now what do you mean by string slicing? Basically, slicing is an English term which means a part of. So in the same way, in Python, the term string slice refers to a part of the string where strings are sliced using a range of indices. Suppose I take a variable str. In this I am storing a word amazing. So now if I write str 0:7, so in this case the complete string will be printed. Why? Because 0:7, 7 minus 1, that is up till 6th position, it will be printed. So if we talk about amazing, then A is at 0, M is at 1, then A is at 2, Z is at 3, I 4, N 5 and G 6. If I write str 0:3, now in this case AMA will be printed. Why? Because 0, 1, 2. Why 2? Because 3 minus 1 is 2. So 0, 1, 2. So first 3 characters will be printed. Fine. Or you can take it like this also, that if we are taking 7, so first 7 characters will be printed if 0 is there. So first 7 characters means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And if we are writing 0:3, then first 3 characters will be printed. So it will be 1, 2, 3, first 3 characters. But if I am changing the lower limit, that is the position of the first character, instead of 0, I write 2:5. Now in this case, the characters between 2 to 4 index will be printed. Now A is at 0, 1, 2. So this is 2, second position. So from here it will be counted, and 5 minus 1 is 4. So AZI. So this is 2, 3, 4. AZI will be printed. We can also pass negative values as argument, or we can say negative index. So if I write -7:-3, so in this case what I will get? AMAZ. Why will I get this? Because letters from the indices -7 it will start, and -6, -5, -4. This will not be included, because -3, -1 is -4. So up till -4 only we will take. So how it is counted? So let us write the string AMA, then Z, I, N and G. So now if I talk about the index, the positive index, then this will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And if we talk about the negative index, then it will start from here, -7, -6, then -5, -4, -3, -2 and -1. So now I am writing -7:-3. So in this case the string will start from -7. So what will be the starting string? A, and it will go up to -3, -1, -4. So the letters from the indices -7, -6, -5 and -4, they will be printed. So let us take one more example. If I write str and in the brackets I write -5:-1. Now in this case what will happen? Letters from the indices -4 will be started, and how many characters will it go till? -1, -1. So -1, -1 means -2. So the letters at the indices -5, -4, -3 and -2, they will be printed. -1 will not be included. So at -5 we are having A. So A will be printed. Then at -4 Z will be printed. -3 I is there, so I will be printed, and -2 N, so N will be printed. Now instead of passing two indices in the slicing, we can also pass one single index also. Like if I write str and in the bracket I write :7. So in this case the default is treated as 0 only. So the answer will be the same if we write str 0:7 or if I write str :7. So both the cases are same. If I write the first index and I do not write the second index, so in this case what will happen? ZING will be printed. Why? Because the missing index after the colon is taken as 7. That is the length of the string. So the length of the string is what? 7. But I said that 7 minus 1. Up till that position we are going to take the characters. So now the last index is missing. So the last index will be treated as the length of the string. So the length of the string is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. So from 3 up till 6, these characters will be printed. So at 3 we are having Z, then I, N, G. So this will be printed.